Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to rotate a text box 45 degrees in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then you want to rotate text box 45 degree. At first, go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and select the text box, then draw a text box. You can write anything, otherwise paste any text. Now I am pressed some text. Press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Then select the text box and go to the shape format menu and select the rotate option. We can see here only rotation 90 degree or flip vertical or horizontal. Now we go to the more rotation option. Then select the rotation. Now I am right 45 degree. Then press enter. Now we can see we rotate the text box 45 degree easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.